Okay, we're on day 2. Now, I've already cleaned the area behind me, and today we're going to tackle this. We're going to take all the furniture off, wash down the furniture. We're going to wash the pillows with some soap and water to get the pillows clean, because we had a guy spray for bees, and he kind of sprayed my pillows, so I need to scrub them all, make sure they're clean, and then let them dry in the sun. And then after the furniture, the pillows, and the patio area is dry, then we'll decorate it. We'll put it back together and decorate it. So today mainly it's going to be the cleaning of this area. I'm not a spring chicken, so it's not going to be all of it done today. It's going to just be the cleaning of the furniture, the pillows, and of the ground, the floor. Because I do see some spots over there that actually need to be scrubbed. That's over here in, let me put my finger over there and there, that need to be scrubbed, because I see a little extra dirt there that needs to be gone, and I see some here that I'm gonna put some more soap on and scrub these areas here. It needs to be a little bit more clean for me, because I seen the green algae on this one over here. I see the green algae on that one. I want to get that off of there as much as I can, and then get the rest of it cleaned off, because I want to be able to sit out here and at least have, at one point I was coming out here in the mornings and bright and early and drinking tea or hot cocoa or whichever, coffee, whichever, and watching something on the TV while I, started my morning. So with my husband being home and before therapy, it would be nice for him to come out here and take a drink of coffee or something in the morning before his day starts. So I want to enjoy this patio early in the morning, because here in Texas, when it gets hot, doggone it, it gets hot. It's going to be in the hundreds this summer, because it's already hitting 90s by noon here already. So with this big tree back here giving me shade, I can get this area cleaned off and washed today. Now I do have this bird feeder or whatever this is right here. I don't know. I'm not for feeding the birds and crap, because I don't like all them bugs and crap. So we'll see how we do with that. So I'm going to get started by moving this camera out the way first, and then I'm going to move all this furniture, and as I move it, I'll clean it and get it done. And I'm going to share with you the soap I'm going to be using to clean it with, and I do have gloves out here, so we'll get started.
gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, life. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your matrix and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. In the beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought.
Never stop exploring. There's always something new at the end.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, comment, and share.
Every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, life. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your matrix and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say, no, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your matrix and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your matrix and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game.
Okay, patio has been swept and washed down. The furniture's drying out there, the pillows, they're drying. So they're drying out there. The floor has been cleaned. So now it's all about this area up here drying for me to be able to put the furniture back and then get it styled. So we'll see you on the next episode of me letting this dry and putting it back together. See you tomorrow.